Want to build your own quiz app without writing any code? You should try Thunkable. It's one of the easiest drag-and-drop app builders out there. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a simple quiz app using Thunkable. Step by step, no coding required. First, log into thunkable.com and start a new project. Choose the mobile app template, then jump into the Design tab. Add buttons for your questions, text labels for the quiz, and images if you want to make it look cool. Now switch to the Blocks editor. This is where the magic happens. Set up your questions, answers, and scoring using simple logic blocks. Use variables to track the score and if-then blocks to check if the answer is correct. You can even add next and back buttons so users move smoothly from question to question. Once done, test your app with the live preview or export it as an APK to install on your phone. So, is it worth trying? If you're just starting out and want to build something fun, fast, yes, absolutely. Let me know in the comments if you built a quiz app in Thunkable. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.